How to change PIN security bank credit card. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Watch the video until the end to learn how, if you've forgotten your PIN or accidentally leaked it to the wrong person, Security Bank allows you to change it to secure your account. Follow these steps outlined. Visit your nearest Security Bank ATM and insert your card into the machine. Navigate to the main menu and select the Generate New PIN or Forgot PIN option. The one-time PIN will be sent to your mobile number through the registered phone number. Enter the OTP sent and proceed. Enter your new PIN and confirm by repeating it one more time. Activate the card by reinserting it into the machine and doing a balance query using your new PIN. If the PIN does not work, request a new PIN at any branch or contact the customer service hotline. The phone numbers should be available in the pages in their Google account or in Google. Simply use that and consult customer service, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.